Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to show touches in screen recording on this device. Alright, so to do this, first we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to find screen recorder. As you can see, my screen recorder is right here. So now we have to click on this icon on the right side of the screen recorder button. As you can see, here is touch points option, and we can turn it on or turn it off by clicking this button right here. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!